Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for me no be akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Akronfo bi akwakobo ewura eye Captain Smart ne fie a ewo Tantra Hill. Na akronfo no ekowia ne wieye no wo mo leave note. Me read ensem a akronfo no etro ye etu note ne so. Na esan se mempese Nkrofo beka say an Melodies asem we one address wudi we kan huninti no. The story has been confirmed by the Mount 7 District Police Command. Our more say a yanekre say ensema ye de bremo no eyade a esi. Now Captain Smart ni dianka sankasa Captain Goldspring Smart. Na ye ni say we journalist a we juma ewo Angel FM. Na omokwa Captain Smart fie no Ghana Fonso kasa on the story, and surprisingly people are not talking about the act. People are rather talking about a different thing. Na yebebe no so omokwa Captain Smart fie no ne cars miensa Land Cruisers 2 and a Prado baako nti Captain Smart ne cars a wo use no 3 Land Cruiser mienu Prado baako nti omobora ne fie no and a trese ne cars ne ho omu wiawia nyama na e wo cars nchese ye wia dia wo say yes ye wia ye mirror ni ye wia Land Cruiser so de ne mirror ne boarding sebe we car ya e fe no Corolla Kwame ka ukobisa ne mirror na ebia na e dia boat 300 cedis and 400 cedis. So imagine Land Cruiser mirror. It's na mirrors no ni etutu Prado mirror no ni etu na cars ni near Captain Smart okra no the Toyota Land Cruisers no baako number plate ye GE 711317 and a baako nso ye GS 116. Another Prado nso number plate ye GR 911116. Nti anu no be hu ne say ebia obi because of the person's diabolical mentality nti ye bo number plate natural ama we hu say car na ye car bia from 2017 2016 to Captain Smart sebe wo play ne playman nsem na wo ye ne playman nsem na enye nde nti cars no sa cars miensa na ye wia eho nyama na eno ewie ye na tese ye kobo police for amane ye tre ye car no bibia mirrors no windshield rain guards ni nyama ye wia ni na tese ye de ekotre police for eguso awomo investigations na akronfo yi enya Captain Smart kan ho nyama wie ye no na womo eja note omo tro ade eto paper so ema womo ja to kan ni ho baby ema Captain Smart be hu ye na nsema womo tro to paper ne so ni, and I am quoting so na me din kan che mo no, this has been confirmed by the police. It mo be make us Melodies wo na wo ko fa asem we abode ba. Now this is what they wrote. Captain Smart, keep supporting MPP. This is just the start in the beginning. We will come back. Note and Crofona etroye etale kan ho. And they say Captain Smart what ye what's still other supporting MPP? Koswana support MPP. Na we ashase ye wia ye beba. Answer na ye be comment the Ghana for eka. And it's rather unfortunate say yakwa will be, but people are not even talking about the act. They are talking about something different. Answer the doctor's comment no. My main tree wadwin embra bibiso. Now recently, Captain Smart has not been in the good books of the NDC and the MPP at large. Yes, obi baby say ana MPP awode kan ho na no so fa hen. And no, Captain Smart and the chairman want to mean talk womu ko achese enye ntoka ketwa na ni name no. Just last 2 days Captain Smart was interviewed by Zion Felix. Ena Zion Felix episa Captain Smart nsensem bebre na Captain Smart dia asema wo kan ne say NDC fo ansema wo mo ka say MPP wi abani na abani ye wi Captain Smart say enye ne kre. And Captain Smart even said ma wo kan say some mistake na ye can say Jim Mensa ye mistake calculation Captain Smart calculation na Jim Mensa ye no mistake bi enim So Captain Smart said that on Zion Felix interview. What can I say about one day? Nanado Winnie, Nagana, Ubian Ria Aba. Emma Sassama, what can I crano? Kelvin Taylor, Eba Bontain, Rawun Kelvin Taylor, and Ra, or Babontain, Eba Kikana doing a Captain Smart. It was our interview now. Captain Smart, Equoye. So that is a factor. When they say Captain Smart is not in the good books of the NDC because you know say NDC for air can say about one Sebi. And in fact, it is not even with the NDC. A lot of civil society about Bonting, Emma, is in the admit to say. In fact, the calculations no way a mistake. But Captain Smart say mistakes be any baby. Into no the original the grounds are workers are no okay. Move to me up Zion Felix, the channel so who interview no. He said it there. Or see on slow be no the other canary and our kind. That same interview. And a Captain Smart also catch chairman to me say chairman to me where yakola. Na send na Captain Smart e kasano. Na ase wo pese wo ye no trese chairman to me so ante wonye na wonye dan wonsu anyansa because chairman to me and the Captain Smart boss. As a chairman to me kotena to me TV and radio so no cassette ya Captain Smart boss. Na Captain Smart so the boss nen kasa o eye Dr. Tin Kweku Tin won kasa ba eye omo ye adwuma e ma Captain Smart ne boss no e na ba Bontin so be kasa into be say Captain Smart ba Bontin be kasa. So on that level too, people who support Chairman to me who are also MPP fans are also not happy with Captain Smart. So he's also not in the good books of Chairman to me and some of his supporters who are MPP supporters. So these are the two scenarios. Recently, when said Captain Smart is not in the good books of both MPP and of both NDC and ABR MPP at large. MPP Diano, it wasn't a statement against the political party just like NDC, and then it was a statement against a figure, but that figure is also a well-known figure in the MPP. But that's the notes the person wrote. Now, nekre eye baako. Na asɛm ba say ya eye analysis na ye. Now say ye analysis na ya trust adie we say keep supporting MPP. This is just the start and the beginning. We will come back. Eye three ways. One, ebetumi aba say eye kronfuo bi na waya na adwen say won no ba be wia Captain Smart no ne de. Eye three ways na me explain atremu. Kronfuo bi na waya na adwen say wo ba be wia Captain Smart. Na kronfuo no eye obi a wonim de ekoso. Na one percent sebe yebeche no ana ebe lead it wonu nti no wa share that note we sa police for eba no wo mo hwe note na wo meka say ebi anipa ku we ye NDC ni na so ebi ana kronfo no kra no won support political party bia wo no de ne kron no ba be boy. That's the first scenario. The second scenario, it can be say indeed say me anipa ku na tro say Captain Smart keep supporting MPP ni, it can be say indeed the person supports NDC and our back Captain Smart fie and our baba bonus no and our trust our notes no amano. Now if it is indeed so, then the person is very dumb, the person is not wise, because when no now ni we are sabi we leave a clue say oh me can I belong to this particular person, and the police can even use that to arrest you, or the police can use that when say okay, if the person belongs to this particular political party, the next level it down, you are giving the police an easier work. So that is the second scenario. It can be say indeed the person is an NDC member. I have the person one by Captain Smart no, because of Asema Wakokan, it was Zion Felix. The show in so. But I explained to you, you can attest to the fact say it means the person is very, very damn. The person is obia woni nyansa, because we janeto say yembra mbechino. The third one, it could even be say the person supports the person supports opposition. Just like I explained to you, say Captain Smart has not been in the good books recently of both NDC and some elements of the MPP. So it could be say in fact even it is the elements of the MPP no and na akwa Captain Smart saa de we na ye na ye de ahye NDC because note na ya tro no e be da it say ye NDC for na ye saa de no. So these are the three scenarios and no and the three analysis are here on this particular matter. Me assure the police for investigation. These are the three scenarios they will be looking at. Now, without wasting much of your time, yanko assemble by Captain Smart trending here social media. Let's go and see what people were talking about. People were not concerned about the act of thievery or robbery Captain Smart fee. People were concerned about Captain Smart owning owning 3 4-wheel drives. Nti asema akofo bi sam say na journalist pa o Land Cruiser mienu sam so wo Prado baako journalist no yesu yemi sika he de mamo na to say wunya sika wo he eno na ye nkrofo concern Ghana for you. Obi say nothing really concerns me most than the mansion, the Land Cruisers and the Prado. Na obi a wo Captain Smart fie bia nim say fie ne de me Kanyankopon say sikafo fie. Ha! Captain Smart fie mansion no. Forget it. As a hotel. It will be say one no there. Asem krono a ya bon Captain Smart en krono ne de enya na asem. Say Captain Smart one ni fie. Ni Land Cruiser mienu. Ene eye Prado a wo. Eno ni asem an de pa ko ne eka. Obi so say they are all criminals, talkatives. They should be robbed from media and MPs and to the police themselves so that they can change and do professional work. Asema will be air canon. Say say yakwako hey Ghana pa. A lot of people commenting on this. I say it is their own party people. He warned Chairman Wontumi, and Wontumi sent his boys to show him he is the boss. Let's allow them to rob each other. Until you see the third scenario I gave, and also no be air say we Chairman Wontumi na wasoma microphone na ya ba be ne sa no. Allegation will be air we've given 3 scenarios. Police and able to me address say ne see. Now, a lot of people are commenting on this, but Emre Eko. Montreal Margin, our comment box in Motif for Medase.